Oh, don't worry, be happy. Kia ora koutou te whānau nau mai, hoki mai te pātaka reo. Whānau, hope you've been enjoying all the videos. The reo, kupu hau, kiwaha, whakatauki, waiata kinaki, kianga. Jump on board, whānau, over the next few weeks. We're building towards our next series. You'll get the building blocks for that. The next series is Cook Some Eggs for tea, hana and mere. Looking forward to bringing you that whānau. Once again, it'll be Māori immersion videos throughout the week, giving instruction on whakaritenga, preparation, ngā tohu, directions, and tunu kai on the actual cooking of the kai. So looking forward to that whānau. Over those weeks we'll be cooking from breakfast through to lunches, through to tea, through to supper and dessert, and so on. So looking forward to that whānau. Thank you for all your support. Jump on board. Please have a look at our Facebook page, and be cool if you had a look at our YouTube page, because that's where we keep all the material, and subscribe there. It'll help me to help you and help others enjoying it and enjoying the ride, enjoying all the support, and supporting you with your reo. But in the meantime, kia kaha, kia maia, do the little bits you can, learn a few kupu hau each week, and a kiwaha and a whakatauki. And after all, these are all the components that make up our reo. We'll see you soon, whānau. Keep enjoying. Don't worry, be happy. E rongo whakaeria ki runga, kia tīna, hui e, tai ki e. Mauri ora.